The National Weather Service in Missouri has issued a severe thunderstorm warning valid until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Berry County, Newton County, Lawrence County, Christian County, Stone County, McDonald County, Greene County. A thunderstorm warning means a thunderstorm is imminent. You are advised to stay indoors. If you are driving, pull over to the side of the road and enter a sturdy building with a lightning conductor. Do not exit the building until an all clear is given. The National Weather Service in Missouri has issued Tornado Watch number 692 effective until 4:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Berry County, Newton County, Lawrence County, Christian County, Stone County, McDonald County, Greene County, Taney County, Douglas County, Jasper County, Dade County. A tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for a tornado, however a tornado is not imminent. Repeating, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the creation of a tornado, however a tornado is not imminent. You should still take precautions to protect yourself from a tornado, but if an all clear is given, it is confirmed that the creation of a tornado will not be possible. At this time you should stay indoors, preferably in a room with no windows, if the situation were to escalate. The National Weather Service in Missouri has issued Tornado Warning 72 valid until further notice for the following counties: Berry County, Newton County, Lawrence County, Christian County, Stone County, McDonald County, Greene County, Taney County, Douglas County, Jasper County, Dade County. A tornado warning: a tornado is imminent and all precautions should be taken. Go to the basement or the lowest floor of a sturdy building or a designated tornado shelter immediately. The tornado is capable of destroying or throwing cars, weak homes, and other structures of less structural integrity. It is advised not to go outside until an all clear is given. All clear. All clear. All clear. The National Weather Service has issued an administrative message for Tornado Warning 72, all clear. You can now come out of your shelter. This concludes all operations under Tornado Warning 72.